All right, first things first, we gotta watch the Black Slug. Doesn't she look clean now, huh? Come on, man. Gotta keep her clean for the event. Let's go. All right, we ready. All right, guys. So Fastlane Fridays was actually last week, and it was so packed. Like, they only had 200 people that were able to go inside the event. After that, anybody else couldn't get in. So you actually had to wait in line. So me and Lewis just said, F that. We decided to head out, and we ended up finding this spot where a couple people were just chilling and parked our cars there and just waited for a little bit and see what happened. But at the end, nothing happened. So here we are. We're gonna end up heading out to a meet and just hang out and see how it goes. It's first time going out in a couple months. Everybody's meeting up at this event, so I'm gonna go ahead and record that for you guys. So let's go, man. All right, let's go ahead and give you fourth gear full. We made it to the hangout. It is beaded. And just like that, the camera dies. It was a good event. I'm sorry I wasn't able to give you guys more content about it, but there'll be more of those. We still got a couple mods for the Focus. I'll be giving you guys that on the next video. I'm planning on putting a steering wheel, the quick release, and the steering hub. So yeah, stay tuned.
I can't stay.